What's up YouTube? Thanks for watching another Technical Spark tutorial video. Today I'm gonna show you how to speed up your Windows 10 PC without using any third-party software. So let's begin with tutorial. Stay tuned. Step number 1. Power option. Just go to the search bar and search for Control Panel. It will open Control Panel window. In View By, select Small Icons and search for Power option. Open it. As you can see, my default power option is set to balance. Now here we'll have to choose high performance. That's it. Now close this window. Step number 2. Disable unwanted startup program. To get into the task manager, the easiest way is to just right click on your taskbar and search for task manager. In task manager, select startup. Here you will see all the programs which is start automatically when the system start. When you install any application in your PC, it's add small program which is runs when your system start, and that's actually causing your system to run slow. Here you can disable, enable any program that you don't want to run when your system start. Just simply select your program and click on disable. I'll recommend not to disable any Microsoft program or antivirus. And you can see in many programs that we regularly use that gets added into the startup. So it's a good idea to remove all the unwanted programs to speed up your PC. In earlier version, we are using Task Manager to disable the startup program. But in Windows 10, we have a simple option to disable this. Just go to the Start, click on Settings. In Setting window, click on the Apps and go to Startup. In Startup, you can disable, enable any program which you want. Close it. Step number 3. Defragmentation and optimize drive. To do that, just go to the search and type defragmentation and click on defragment and optimize drive. And here you will see the drive. Just click on the operating system drive, which is in my case C drive, and click on the optimize. You can see your drive is optimizing. In some PCs, it may take longer time based on your hard disk size. Once it finishes, you can close the window or you can directly close this. It will run in the background. Step number 4. Delete unnecessary temporary files. To delete that, just go to the run window by simply right clicking on your Windows button. In search bar, type %temp % and click on OK. Now you will see this folder open. Just select all the files and click Shift Delete. Close this window. Now go for another. Again, right click on your Windows icon and choose Run. And here you will have to type temp and click on OK. In temp folder, again we'll have to select all the files and click on Shift Delete. In some PCs, you might see this pop-up window, File in Use. In that situation, just click on Do this for all current items and click on Skip. So my lots of files are cleared. Close this window. Now again, right click on the Windows button and choose Run. And this time we'll have to type Prefetch, Prefetch and hit OK. The command which I'm using, all those available in the description of the video. You can copy and use them once you finish watching this video. Again, you wanna select all these files, right click and select Delete. Skip. Close this window. Step number 5. Clean up memory. Open the File Explorer and here we will have to click on the property. The more specific is where your Windows operating system is installed. Now in the General tab, you will see the option Disk Cleanup. Just click on that and it will calculate all the files and the new window will open just like this. In this window you will see there is lots of space is occupied by your system files. In my PC, Windows 10 Cleanup is occupying 4.10 GB free space. So just tick mark all the options available and click on OK. It will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on Delete Files. Don't worry, it will not delete your personal data. It will only delete unnecessary temporary files which your system don't require. Again, it may take more time depending on your data. Once it finish, click on the close button and click on OK. Now let's go to the step number 6. Reduce runtime. To reduce runtime, we'll again have to go to the run and here type msconfig, msconfig and click on OK. New window will open. Click on the services and choose hide all Microsoft services because I don't wanna do anything wrong with the Microsoft service. And here you can disable unwanted services. You may untick the services which you don't want to remove and click on disable all. Apply and click on OK. It will give you a prompt that your system needs to be restarted. So we'll restart our system later. Step number 7. Registry tweak. Again we'll have to go to the run and type regedit to open the registry editor. The new window will open like this. Now here go to the HKey current user, click on the control panel and click on the mouse, and here double click on the mouse over time and change this value from 400 to 10 and click on OK. Now here click on the desktop and scroll down little bit and search for mouse show delay. Double click on that and change this timing from 400 to 10 and click on OK. Now we have changed mouse response time. To take these settings in effect, we need to restart. But we'll restart this PC later because I have to show more couple of things to increase your computer speed. So stay tuned. Step number 7. Visual effects. In this step, I'm going to show you how you can disable your Windows 10 interface graphical performance to boost your system performance. And please note, it won't affect your gaming graphics or program graphics. It will only reduce the performance of your Windows 10 OS. Once you do this, you might feel little low on your Windows 10 graphics, but it will definitely increase your Windows 10 performance. So final decision is yours. For the sake of this video, I will show you how to do that. But you can always change these settings and go back to the normal. So let's do that. Open your File Explorer and go to the Properties. You will see this window is open. In the left side, just click on Hyperlink, which is Advanced System Settings. Another new window will open, and here you will find under Performance, Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Uses and Virtual Memory. Click on this Settings button. By default, this option is tick. Let Windows choose what best for your computer. This setting will do everything for your Windows 10 computer to look beautiful. Click on Adjust for best performance and you will see all the tick marks are gone. And here you can choose the option which you think you can't live without that. So in my case, I'm choosing Show Shadow under mouse pointer. Once it's done, click on Apply and OK. And in System Properties, click OK. Now check our last step. Just click on the Start window and select Settings. The Windows Setting window will open. Click on the Systems and in the left hand side, click on the Storage. And make sure your Storage Sense option is turned on. And once it enabled, it will automatically delete your temporary files. To know more about this option, just click on this option, Configure Storage Sense or run it now. You may go through it. Close this. Now let's take a proper system restart. Back again. So that's it guys. This is how you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more video like this, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will never miss my future video notification. And show us your love while sharing this video with your friends and colleagues. If you still have any question, suggestion or doubt, please leave us a comment in the comment box below. We'll definitely answer your each and every comment. This is Sohan Gole from Technical Spark. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.